Hello, let's start with installing and configuring the Google Consent Mod solution. Open Apps. Let's find the Google Consent Mod app and activate it. After module installation, go to the website menu, configuration, settings, and in the privacy section, select the default Google consent. After that, you should create default values for your website. In this section, you need to specify what consent types should be granted by default. If you don't want grant any consent, deactivate all options and save settings. Additionally, you can specify specific consent settings for some regions. Select one or several regions in this field. You can also specify some additional consent parameters in the privacy section of website settings. This solution comes with Google Tag apps. Let's configure them. Go to the website configuration settings and activate the Google tag for Google Analytics 4. And let's activate the Google Tag Manager container as well. Save settings. And then let's log out from Odoo to check our Google scripts. After we have activated the Google tag scripts on our website, the scripts were added to the web page code with the Google consent settings. The Google Consent Mod solution is compatible with the standard Odoo cookie bar. Let's test it. To do it, go to the website configuration settings and activate Odoo cookie bar. You can choose it in the Consent Manager section or just activate with the cookie bar setting. To test our scripts, we should log out from Odoo, or we can use other browser for testing. Now, using cookie bar, we can provide our agreement for only essential or for all cookie types. Let's provide for all cookies. And now we can check the source code of our web page, and we can see the new Google Consent Update directive with all granted Google consent types. This additional Google Consent update will be added to all web page of your website. Let's test our Google Consent Mod implementation with the Google Tag Manager. when we are visiting our website web page without granting consents for all cookie types, Google will receive consent default values that were specified in your website configuration. Now we grant all cookie types by clicking on our cookie bar, and after that we can see that Google received the consent update with updating of all consent types. And when we visit pages after that, this consent update will be sent to Google as well. Default values, and then update of these consent types.